2, average more than 30. John James and Dwayne Wade.
Well, Frank Vogel been trying to figure out that second unit, how much you can play guys. You got to remember, in the second unit for the Pacers, you got Stola. You can't play him 30 minutes. And so that there's a little bit of a different position on what you have. Because they keep Chris Anderson off the floor long minutes now. So it just depends on what the makeup of the team is. I'm sure the Pacers would like to be able to get some of that. It just doesn't work that way.
Shot clock at 4. Yes, steps back and got it.
Lewis can't guard it. They really don't. The only guy that was going to give David West some challenge for LeBron James may be Bosh, because Bosh is so long. Even though Lewis is a long player, he's not a very physical.
And lead on the 4. On Orlando Johnson. Free throw line to shoot 2.
Well, you'll see that his next move, this Orlando move, yeah, he goes into it. Yeah, he does. He gets there. It's hard.